Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to export notes in the Evernote app. So let's start. So first, you have to launch the app. But basically, what I want to say is that the phone app does not support the sharing of all the notes at once. You cannot select and share a note, full note, which is available. So what you can do instead on a phone app is just click on your note, open it. Okay, I'm just clicking on this note, gang wars. Now what you need to do is click on these three dots. So here you can see there is option like share note. So just you have to click on this option of the share note, and what you need to do is either you can create a shareable link, which by clicking on this, which will be like if you share this link to anyone, he can directly see the note. Or what you can do is click on more sharing option. Here you can see I can share it on airdrop, message, WhatsApp, Instagram, or I can save it to Pinterest, or copy or save it to my files. Also I can invite someone to see my note. Also here is the option of email a copy. Now when you email a copy, you basically export a note and you can just click on email a copy. Basically the option is not available because it is of premium and I need to upgrade. But what you can do is share a link or copy the link so the person can see, or either you can just copy the whole note like this. Let me just click on this option. Why isn't the option coming up? Here you can see the option: cut, copy, paste, replace, arrow, lookup, translate, search web, and share. Click on share, the area will appear. You can save it to files or Pinterest. So this is how you export your notes in the iPhone app of the Evernote.